Hey everyone, I'm Beth and I'm here with Tangerine Salon owner Brandon Hensley, and we are currently on the construction site for the newest location of Tangerine Salon. But actually, it's a relocation of the original salon in Coppell, Texas.
Yeah, Beth, this is our 15th year, and we wanted to really celebrate being in Coppell. We started here in Coppell. Coppell is our hometown, and we are moving to Old Town Coppell. Super excited.
I love it. I'm so excited. We're going to give you guys a little sneak peek tour.
So Beth, you just got your hair done at our original location, and if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. It's an awesome video of you getting your post-quarantine hair. Well, in here, you're gonna love getting your hair done in here, because look at all of these windows. It's an amazing space. That's one of the real reasons that we wanted to make sure that we had as much natural light as possible. So
yes.
you can see it's massive amounts of light.
I love it. I love the floor to ceiling windows. I love all the white. If you look up at the ceiling, there's white brick and white ceiling up here. And I'm sure it's all that's going to be covered in white too, all the red brick.
All the brick is getting covered. So a lot of Coppellians have been in this building before it was a restaurant.
Okay.
And so we bought this building last year and completely gutted it. It used to have dark ceilings, used to have dark walls, and as you can see the red brick on the inside, well, it's all getting lightened up.
I love it. That's gonna be perfect for those Instagram selfies. So that was the styling area over there. What is this area going to be?
So very similar to our old Coppell location, we'll have two areas, and so that was, of course, going to be hair stations here. It's also going to be hair stations here, but this is a multi-use room, and so this will actually be able to have the stations roll out of the way. We're going to be doing our classes here. As you know, we do education every Monday for our team, any team meetings and different things like that. We'll be able to have this room to be opened up, be able to use for all kinds of things. But on most days, it's going to have packed with people getting their hair done.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about what this room is going to look like.
So this is our shampoo room in here, and hopefully you've enjoyed your shampoos at Tangerine.
I do. That's my favorite part of getting my hair done, is getting my hair shampooed.
What we really love about this shampoo room is we have all the natural light coming in from the windows. The ceiling is going to be all wood ceiling. We're going to have beams. It's going to be really beautiful. We're going to have all subway tile. Absolutely stunning room.
Yeah, I love that. That's so modern. It's going to be really luxurious feeling in here.
So you've been to several of our salons.
Yes.
And you know most of them have awesome lounges.
Yes.
Well, Coppell never has, but now we are standing in an awesome relaxation lounge. So you're going to be able to process your hair color in here or wait in here, whatever you want to do. Bring a magazine, bring your phone, and enjoy the space.
I love that. So there are going to be couches in here, tables. What is it going to look like when it's
So
done?
we're going to have really comfortable chairs, and we're going to have a really awesome lighting and different things. It's going to be really relaxing.
I love that. Very cool. So I heard that there's some unique things coming to this location, and this looks like a big open space. So what is your vision for this area?
Well, we wanted to make sure that we added something really cool. Since we own the building, it's our building, and I wanted to make sure that we had some signature space. So we're standing right now in our little coffee bistro.
That's awesome.
Yeah, and so we're going to have a coffee bar there. We've got a filtered water. We want to make sure that we are providing the best possible amenities to our wonderful guests as possible. So yeah, so we're going to have a little coffee bistro. You can come in here with your laptop, you get some work done while you're getting your hair done. Everybody's got to be multitasking these days.
So it's going to be, I like it.
Yeah, this is going to be the perfect place to do that.
Cool. And then what about this wall back here?
That was one of you guys' ideas. This is going to be our Instagram wall. So I'm not sure whether we're going to put a mural there, some kind of an awesome flower. We're going to have something fun. So something where you're going to be able to take your picture after you get your hair done, put it on Instagram, make sure you show off the world how beautiful that our team made you.
Well, I'm sure you're going to get a lot of mentions and a lot of tags from that wall. So we just walked outside to the front porch, and there looks like there's a lot of space here. So Brandon, why don't you tell us your vision on what this is going to look like?
Well, initially we were going to build this out, but COVID kind of made us put this into a phase 2. So for now, and maybe permanently, I don't know, we're going to use this for pop-up shops. We're going to use this for all kinds of activities, maybe even yoga out here, different things like that. So we've got about 800 square feet. And as you can see from the neighborhood, it's just an awesome neighborhood to be in. So from the farmer's market across the street to George Coffee right there, it's just going to be an opportunity for people to come down to Old Town Coppell and just really spend time down here and just enjoy themselves.
I love that. It seems like a good community aspect to have as part of the salon. We just walked over to the side of the building and I see this huge patio right here that I'm pretty excited about.
Yeah, so we're going to have patio furniture out here and everything. And so on a beautiful day, as you can see, today is not so beautiful.
Yes.
But on a beautiful day, you can come out here and sit while you're processing and all kinds of things.
Scroll through my Instagram for a few hours. Yeah, this is going to be a nice space. Brandon, thank you so much for showing us around. I am so excited for this location to open. Can you tell us a little bit about where this is located compared to the original salon in Capel?
Yes, we're only a mile away. So we've been on Denton Tap for 15 years. So now we are right here in beautiful Old Town Capel. The Arts District is now finished. That'll be opening as soon as COVID is open. And so we are super excited about being here. George Coffee's here, Heart Eight's here, Twisted Roots here. We're super excited about being in Old Town.
I love it. Well, I know I'm excited to get my hair done here, and all of you guys should check it out when it's open in just a couple months.